Sanibonani igama lami ke mina ngokwazi ngokaNsele ngiyanamukela ku YouTube channel yami lapho sizikhulumela khona nje ngezinto ezithinta impilo nangezinye izinto nje esikhona lapha emhlabeni esicabanga ukuthi mhlambe zingaba usizo emphakathini engifuna nikwazi ukuthi yonke into engikhulumayo isuka ngaphakathi kumina iwumbono wami akukho nanokugodwa engikukhulumayo engithi abantu abenze kanjalo noma ngithi manje asilwisane asiphikisane sesofakana ezinkantolo but mokuthi nawo wakho umbono you can always comment la kuma comment section isibonisane sikhulume kube kuhle kube njena and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification button for more information and for more videos nokunye nje nokunye and don't forget kodwa futhi before sikhulume singene ku topic yethu ukuthi sine studio and studio sishipping ngendlela esimanga you can book us ukuzokwenza single or ufike nawe no producer wakho nabantu osebenza nabo nizosebenza lapha e-studio sethu i-information ikhona lapha e-screenini sethu i-topic yethu namhlanje ithi mina ngesingami ngithi umuntu wesilisa osemncane oneminyaka engaphansi kwa-25 akumele akufunakali asihlanganise noma azame nakancane ukuthi lokho esifaka kuma-serious relationship ikakhulukazi mengakabi nawo umsebenzi oqondile ilapho nje angesikhohle futhi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa futhi namhlanje ngihamba naye usisi uGhost Lady ohleli lapha ya ngaphesheya kwami and then khona futhi nomfoka Bryce noma engakhulumi kakhulu khona nje ulalele njengensizwe nje esencane nayo engafanele ingene kuma relationship serious isesencane so mfethu ngiyanimukela kakhulu nisafila kodwa
Siyaphilana namhlanje.
Nandi.
Philani bafowethu philani. Namhlanje Bryce i-topic kakhulukazi mfowethu izofana ukuthi engawe noma inawe nje shaqa.
Ngizwa.
Sizoyithatha nje ngibe ngalo ndlela leyo. So mina bafowethu ngesingami I don't think ku right for umfana osemncane. Mangithi umfana osemncane mhlambe abanye bayibona ngathi bayizinsizwa maybe no 25 because mina ngimdala I'm over 25. So umfana omncane una 25. So most na 25 ngiyaphansi mina I will never advise even nangane yami nangumfowethu I will never advise someone ozothi yena ufuna ukungena ku relationship noma asithole ku relationship serious nomunye umuntu wesifazane ongabulingana naye noma ongaphansi kwakhe ngenxa zokuthi nje usekuthando ungaphakamisa khona phakamisa isandla ngikhuluma Ghost Lady ngibona ucashile
ngizama indlela ukuthi ubonakala njena but then before mhlawumbe uye good ngifikela nje umbuzo uthi anyone can answer
okay sure
ukuthi what is the like ngiyeza ukuthi uya emphasize lapha ku serious relationship so that even ama viewers angagcini mhlawumbe lokho engakubambanga ukuthi uthi engazi involve kwi relationship a serious relationship emphasize ukuthi it's a serious relationship
not just a relationship
exactly awusho ukuthi abasujola sithe abangazifaki be invest kuma serious relationship what is a serious relationship
is serious ngabe ngayazi the serious relationship ngithethe ngiyayazi kade ngiyazi but mina ngesingami serious relationship it's when uzifaka kwi situation noma uzifaka othandweni where you start investing konke onakho izinto zakho umphefumulo wakho umoya wakho ifuture yakho ukusichithela isikhathi sakho ngenxa zokuthi ucabanga ukuthi konke lokho kwenza lapha sekuphelelisiwe akasekho futhi omunye umuntu oyomthola in future naphambili mina ngesingami ngiyibone kanjalo ilapho othi khona usuwenza izinto ngokukhulu ukunganaki ngenxa zokuthi usuyitshela ukuthi vele uyena amaqondana wakho lo futhi nakusasa ucabanga ukuthi uyena umama wendlu egugela kuyena mhlambe uvela ucabanga ukuthi masu yikhehla uyena amakodo wakho lo so inqumo enjalo ziyathatheka kakhulu mosemncane ngenxa zokuthi usukusacabanga vele nawe ngobuncane bakho ngokwenqumo ezincane what mina can say ukuthi mina mosemncane just enjoy uthando ngayi yonke indlela ofisa ukuenjoy ngakhona but don't make a mistake of investing a lot kule relationship while you are still under 25 ngizojula ngichaze but ngazuthi una something ngichaze kahle lapha ntombi lapha kuma serious relationship noma khona ufuna ukuadd noma ufuna ukusho
no ngiyakuzwa no akukho ngifuna ukuzwa Bryce in serious relationship
Bryce in serious relationship ngesinga
mina ngicabanga ukuthi i serious relationship is whereby like job usuchazile nje but okunye ngakusho ila osuthatha umuntu wamenza like ingxenye yempilo yakho mhlambe even nangokwendleko zakhe mhlambe into ekanjalo
so
allowance
sekhona ngamankonyana okuphuma ngakuwe yeah into kanjalo impela usuyibekele nje lelo toho lelo
lokuthi umuntu udependele kuwena
yeah usuwenze nje umsebenzi wakho into kanjalo nje
okay so waqala nini ukuba wakwaba ku serious relationship before noma wakwazi
ke ngazama
wahluleka
ngazama kanye like nga introduce umuntu ekhaya
yes
but ke yena wa panic
okay
uthi useyaziwe ekhaya shuthi yena wayesese stage sokuthi usafuna ukwenza izinto manje uyangeke sakhululeka masaziwa emzimthile so into yakhona yangabe saqhubeka ngaleyo ndlela
yavetani yafaka ngaleyo ndlela le okay
choose lento le askissing guys like uBryce message nje choose lento it doesn't go just for abantu besilisa or abafana it goes both sides ukuthi if you're still young just don't get yourself too involved or too invested kuma relationships because negative ugel wa panic that means ukuthi her age nane maturity level akake kuyona ayingam allow ukuthi engathuse invested that much into a relationship
okay ngiyathola
I hope it makes sense
you know wenza sense kakhulu you know abantu besilisa at the age of 19 to 25 why ngibabeka bona njengabantu engicabanga ukuthi akufanele besithole bekuleyo situation where they find themselves kuma serious relationship it's because konke okwenzeka ngalesa sikhathi ucabanga ukuthi ku right kuyiqiniso whereas akulona ngishona kancane iqiniso futhi akulona nelincane iqiniso liphelele about impilo and about what wena okufunayo empilweni njengomuntu wesilisa or njengomuntu osuke semncane ngaleso sikhathi kusekuningi okukuhlalela empilweni kusekuningi okumele ukufunde ngempilo wena nje wena as umuntu wesilisa so in most yethu sisithola sikuma serious relationship ngencaza abantu besifazane esuke sithandana nabo ngaleso sikhathi ngizosichaza nami sami story ukuthi mina ama serious relationship angilimaze kuphi and ama serious relationship angibambezele kuphi empilweni and mangase kuthiwa ngithi ngifuna ukuphindela emuva Nkosi yami ngiyolungisa le yankinga yeminyaka yami emincane lapha na ngino 21 ngize ngiyofika lapha ko 25 into yokuqala ngafenge ngilungisa ngafenge ngithi ngicela nje cancel wonke la serious relationship noma abanye ngangaba nabo kuma relationship ngangathandana nabo because ngiyisolo ukuthi ngathandana nabo but into engiyisola ngayo ukuthi ngaba ku serious relationship noma ngake ngaba kuma serious relationship nabo yabo so inkinga enkulu thina njengabantu besilisa abasebancane noma njengehle ngesencane esenza ukuthi sigcina singena kuma serious relationship kuma serious relationship ingenxa zokuthi ungena emaplanini omunye umuntu wena ungekho kula maplans so ufica ukuthi ngenxa zokuthi yena umuntu wesifazane yena at the age of 23 or 24 usezibona yena ukuthi use ready ukuthi yena njengamanje usengaba unkosikazi womuntu ngalesikhathi akakasebenzi ngalesikhathi afundana nesikole wena ubona use ready yena ukuthi sengaba umfazi womuntu emveni kwalokho yena masecabanga ukuthi nawe iba ready umshelile yebo umthanda but wena njengomfana ona 25 once wambona lo muntu loyo ukuthi this is what ilento akayifunayo kumina noma yilento akayifunayo empilweni noma ngakuthiwa akusesimina hlehla kulo muntu ongabe uyamthanda ngenxa zokuthi uzosithola usayinela into obungayizelanga uma wena ubufikela umjolo ukuthi nithandane enjole and have fun it's fine you can have fun bakhona who abantu besifazane who still wants to have fun at that age so akulona icala to have fun for you as a man
responsible fun
be responsible
because now you don't want to have babies while having fun because now
biggest thing
uzothola uku serious issue
so now as much as you're having fun have fun and be responsible on that fun because that's a stage where uzithola khona usenkingeni eziningi uzithola unengane obungayidinga uzithola unenkinga kwawena empilweni yakho obungayidinga engabe inkinga zezifo noma uzithole manje wena uno baby mama omthole at the age of 21 nize niyokhula nize niyoguga usune baby mama drama eyakubamba una 21 uzokuba no 50 wena nje lokho ahlupheka ngenxa zokuthi wakhulelisa intombazana at the age of 21. So as much as you're having fun, but be responsible. Kodwa don't ever try and jump that stage of you trying to learn impilo as much as you can and try to invest in yourself kakhulu than investing kakhulukazi kuma serious relationship. Mina at the age of 21, I think the first serious relationship was with someone sabanengane, unfortunately. No, fortunately, I don't know. Is it unfortunate or fortunately? Fortunately, sabanengane. No, sabanengane. Fortunately, it was not fortunate. Yes, I'm trying to not. It was not fortunate. It's unfortunate. Kwangamele sebelengane ngisemncane.
But it's fortunate because it's a blessing.
It's a blessing, but it was unfortunate because sabanengane. Yeah, I was 21. She was 25.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she was 25.
Mdala kunawe.
Akuthi ngichazile nje phela mangina 21 emdala kunami mina 25 ngifuna ngize ngisho.
Yazi umuntu osifazane iminyaka yakho it doubles maturity, it doubles uthi wena 30.
So I don't see joke la ngana zakwethu. So I feel like before even ngiqhubeka le story sami you already judging me.
No.
I'm trying to share a serious story here. It's not about the age. It's about the situation angasola ngikuyona. I was 21 and she was 25. And at that time yena already besesebenza. Yabona? And nami cause vele mina kade ngaqala vele kube hustler. So ngisho nama sengizama ukuthi ngifuna ukusebenza manje. The hustling yami from that day ila yaqala khona ukufail. If hustling yami ayiphinda ngiyahamba kahle. Ngenxa zokuthi now I had a responsibility yomuntu osesebenzayo. Osezibonile ukuthi yena akasazimisele ngokudlala because already usenengane ingane nobaba wengane bahlukana wasala nengane waseyitshela ukuthi the next relationship mangithola umuntu because umuntu osifazana oright ayiphethe kahle what the next relationship ezohlangana nayo umuntu mina angiyimisele ngokudlala and mina ngaqhamuka ngamshela wakuveza lokuthi akayimisele ngokudlala ngangimshela ngoba ngangimthanda wakuveza futhi ukuthi uneminyaka emingaki ngathi mina ku right. And then sathandana because angaze ngibe nenkinga neminyaka mina Nkosi yami saqhubeka sathandana but masithandana I don't think at that time I was ready because yena wathi into akayifunayo I can say ngangena not I was ready ngangena because kwakuyinto akayifuna without me realizing ukuthi what is it kahle kahle serious relationship suffocate because yayiqhamuka nama responsibilities angeke ngisho ukuthi wayengifuna imali angeke ngisho ukuthi wayengifuna izinto but ngisho ukuthi ngifuna izinto kwamina engangazazi njengomuntu wesilisa ngakhula into that serious relationship ngimncane ngaze ngaba no 26 27 into that serious relationship and suffocate drain waste isikhathi sami yamosha isikhathi sami ngendlela ukuthi izinto engaqala ukuzenza kahle sengina 26 27 ngase ngizenza ngoba yena engasekho empilweni yami yena esekhona empilweni yami we expect ukuthi kumele ngibe indoda ngisebenze wayifuna ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze izinto eziright njengokuthi ngihambe ngiyokhokha amalobolo ngibhadale izinto ezithile nesithile khumbula ukuthi sinengane ingane idinga ukuhlawula ingane kwafanele mina ngihlawule ngemali engangahamba ngikhanda ngayo studio yabona because ngangisemncane wangihlawulisa ngemali engangimela ngithenga icamera ukuze ngiphushe hustle yami mhlambe lama podcast engiwenza njengamanje at the age of 30 something kumele ngabe ngawenza at the age of 21 because now I had ama responsibilities engangawadinga at that time empilweni yami I had the responsibility ukuthi makuthiwa ngifuna ukwenza into ezo enhance career yami yena akakuboni lento lengizoyenza enhance career yami but yena wayithatha njengokuthi imosha imali ngenxa zokuthi yena imali useyibonele ezinye izinto ucabanga ama wind ukuthi bese ngakwazi ukuthi sakhumuza ngale mali othenga ngayo into ethile sithenga ngayo ama window umuzi wethu awubungaboni ukuthi ngalo 10,000 utholile kunokuthi uhambe uyokwenza into ethile lo 10,000 bungahambe uyothenga inkomo uthenga inkomo lezi inkomo zibe u10 uhambe kusekhaya uyokhokha awuboni isikhathi esihambile sesisingaka isikhathi kule serious relationship ekhaya sebethini manje and njengamanje lo muntu loyo useyabona manje ukuthi mina njengendoda ngiyakhula kodwa manje kukhuleni kwami akukho kubonakalayo une pressure lapha akasebenza khona ontanga yakhe bayagana bayashada abanye banamadoda abonakalayo mina makukhulunywa ngami iqhama ngomfana ohamba ngeenyawo ubukeke emncane even nasebusweni so ngangine pressure kanganga ukuthi kufanele ngikhule because kwakumele mangiqhamuka ngibonakale njengendoda so izinto obhekana nazo lezo ungena othandweni oluserious esemncane ngenxa zokuthi I was used to ama serious relationship I could not now adjust to normal relationship So each and every time mangimele ngene ku relationship, I'm the one now coming and suggesting leyo nto leyo, whereas now ngimele ngabe ngienjoy impilo, ngiqala manje ngiyafunda impilo ukuthi kahle kahle impilo nothando kuyini. Uyayithola lo nto leyo. So angisasithola isikhathi sokwazi ukuthi ngiunderstand ukuthi uthando luyini, because uthando mina ngilifunde ngendlela ebengafanele ngilifunde ngakhona, ngilifunde ngaqala ku10 ngabe ngiqale ku1. So now when you go back to my hustle, mangizoqala hustle at the age of 27, sengiqala not ukuthi ngiqala at the age of 27, but now ukuthi hustle yami iqale manje ngiyibona ukuthi yenzani, ngiqala ukuyibona at the age of 27, sengiyenza sengasena ipressure. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuzama impilo, uyizama kunomuntu la.
Yeah.
Unomuntu la. How about ke wena ube nebhadi ukhulelisa intombazane engasebenzi? Luckily she was working. How about wena uthola into ukhulelisa intombazane engasebenzi at the age of 22? Ukhulelisa intombazane engena future, engena plan ngempilo, engahlakaniphile, enganakusasa at the age of 24.
Ezi usasho njalo, I'm sorry, ngibone enye video. I don't know if I saw it on TikTok or I saw it on Facebook, but somewhere my social platforms.
Okay.
Of a girl. Hey guys, mokhuluma ngentombazane ngenangqondo ngena future. Busy ushaya imoto like mebeveza mebekhuluma abanye kwi background.
Yeah.
Ushaya imoto your baby dead. Ngamatshe.
Yeah.
Uthatha amatshe angakanani? Uyayishaya. And I was just like, probably mhlawumbe ngongenzeka, I'm not saying it's like that, but thola ukuthi bayathola nabese bancane.
Yeah.
Ecabanga ukuthi khona la baya khona. Etshela ukuthi uya understand ukuthi what is love, what is relationships, kanti aka understand wathola ingane, uya progress, uyayibona yena ugela ukuthi aka progress. It's not even fault yomfana.
Yeah.
Uyena onga progress nje.
Ngenxa zokuthi umfana waba nebhadi wakhulelisa.
Engakaboni ukuthi lo muntu lo naye umuntu, because as abantu we evolve, siyakhula. You know, kunezinto ongayi understand about yourself at a certain age, you understand at a certain age.
Sure.
Yeah.
So kunezinto ezingeyivele at a certain age. Ngeke nje kuvela ukuthi kahle masese esikoleni akuvela ukuthi njengoba sile esikoleni khona bazoba umahlalela, khona president, khona maphara, akuveli lokho, siyafana. Kuvela masese siphumile esikoleni sesi khulile sesingaphandle ukuthi hayibo man sasikhona impela sonkodwa sifana. So mawuzomithisa at that level ke usesikoleni ukuthola ukuthi ube nengwadla nje, wahlangana nengwadla wamithisa iphara. Mase sekuqhubekile seningaphandle senikhulile, leli phara likukhombisa ukuphara.
Yeah.
Usustuck because unengane
nephara.
You know?
Yeah.
And ufica kuna ukuthi angifuni ukwakhuluma ngathi awami kunalama stages okwakhuluma ngayo Ghost Lady. Ama stages of ama relationship, if we are wathola tuzane, can you please say them again, because I felt like those stages amanye ama stages thina uthe u3 amanye ama stages thina as abantu esisithola so jump ekakhulukazi noma singadluli kuona ngendlela efanele, and noma sisithola silahleka kuona in the midst of lokho sizibona sethi ama-serious relationship, kanti usithola nje serious relationship akumele ngabe ukulonto le wena nje kahle uzube right lapha ku stage 3. Uyathola?
Yeah, ngiyawathola i-page lapha ku Instagram, Warren Buffett quote igama le page, but ama lona abhalwe uLenny Banks.
Okay.
So uthi yena we fall in love with 3 people in our lifetime.
Okay.
So uthi uthando lokuqala, this love uthi ke ngizozama ukwafunda but amanye ngizowa summarize.
Okay.
Uthi ke we first love, this love often happens at a young age. You eventually grow apart or call it quits over silly things. When you get older, you may look back and think it wasn't love, but the truth is it was love for what you knew love to be. And then shuthi lapho
singakayitholi, yeah.
You know, mase sesiyitholile sihlukana ubona ukuthi hayibo ngangenzani vele lo price
lapho uyisola kakhona ukuthi kutholakala umntwana lapha awungafi noma la ulahlekelwe khona into yakhe ethile. uthi uNkulunkulu wami ngaze ngalahlekelwe into ethile bekwenze njalo.
Yeah. And then uthi ke there is a second love. Uthi ke le it's the hard one. You get hurt in this one. Uthi this love teaches us lessons and makes us stronger.
Okay.
Uthi this love includes great pain, lies, betrayal, abuse, drama and damage. But this is the one where we grow. We realize what we love and about love and what we don't love about love.
Yes.
Uthi now we all know the difference between good and bad humans. Now we become closed, careful, cautious and considerate. We know exactly what we want and don't want. Sesimo matured. Usuyazi ukuthi mina ngiyangena la ku relationship no Bryce usuyamtshela uBryce ukuthi okay I can settle for this, I can do this, I can't do this, I can naka aba boundaries olesibili usuyazi ukuthi hey Bryce
abantu sebazi kakhulu lo lesibili hey
kodwa ngishuthi nalo liyaphela ke phela ngoba khona lesithathu.
Oh yayilo lesibili liyaphela kakhulu
ilapho sunama boundaries nemithetho eminingi usulubekele umthetho uthando usuthanda ngendlela oyazi
awusamthanda umuntu yabona uthando mina ngingalivuma ethole iqiniso yilo lokuqala
leni
blind cause umuntu lapho usukumthanda hayi ngokwazi uthando umthanda ngomuzwa wenhliziyo uthanda ngalendlela engazi lutho aying experience lo lesibili umuntu usekuthanda ngenxa zokuthi uzoqhubeka ufunda ntombi kulo lesibili umuntu usekuthanda ngokuthi yena ukuthanda ngokuthi yena uyazi ukuthi uhlunyezwe osibanibani usefuna ukuthi uthi nithandana uyaqhathanisa ukuqhathanisa nalomuntu akahlukane naye sekumele ulungise le nto le usekutshela ukuthi kunje nakudlalwe ngami lapha kwenza ukuthi nokuthi angifuni ukuthi angilithando lesibili yebo khona lolume chode but hey qhubeka ufunde
at least you usuyazi ukuthi okay noma ngehlambe ukukusebenzela but usuyazi ukuthi lokho ngiyakuthanda lokho angikuthandi usuyakwazi nokuyimela in a way ukunokuthi uvume kwasana you know because ezinye izinto eshayayo lapha sivumele ku first love ukuthi nje uyenza into ongayazi you know ugcina uvuma ukuthi okay let's do this ugcina senithola senama responsibility engekho ready for when on the second love uyakwazi ukuthi I mean ngikho ready for this responsibility you know uthi no mina I'm not ready to have kids
uthola umuntu bese nawo ready ingane manje akasekho ready ngoba wena usekufike wena
yabona sitshona kumele
but kuchaza ukuthini lokho
sekumele wena
usakuloko wayovela
wena ukuzumile ngane awuqala uyovela
and then the last one guys bese siyaqhubeka ithi ke le yesithathu the third love ile othi uyayithanda I think we confuse nale yokuqala ithi ke le yena uyibeka ngendlela yokuthi uthando lesithathu ke lo ocean uthi this one comes blindly no warning it creeps on you silently you don't go looking for this love it comes to you
go back
uthi you can put up any wall you want it will be broken ukuthi guys ngifunda manje ngicabanga ukuthi sike sakhuluma ngaye qala manje ngicabanga nini okay guys I'm sorry kuma viewers uthi you can put up any wall you want it will be broke down you'll find yourself caring about that person without trying
no ukuthi ngicela ulichaza lithanda kakhuluma ngalo lapho cause okay qeda
kuba ngeke ngisaqhubeka manga ngokuchaza uthi they look nothing like you
your type
ngiphazamise ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uzothini okay ngicela uqhubeka
sorry ngixoxa babukela emakhaya
suke sayifunda lento
suke sayifunda before
okay uthi they look nothing like your usual crush types but you get lost in their eyes daily you see beauty nasebubini babo yes in their imperfections you hide nothing
susha ukuvuka
sorry no bitch ukudle statu lokufica uyihlala nje office nomkhaba wakho le urelaxile usuliqedile akusafuni lutho mina unkosikazi wakho mhlambe okwakuzama ukudlisa usheve ekubhanga nezingane zakho that divorce wavela waqhamuka uRoseline ngamkuru silushange isini kade ayibona kade awusena ndaba nezini zakho awusena inkinga
nama force
wena usho kahle ukuthi mina angizwani namadoda emkhaba usuncamela wena impela nomkhaba ngoba iza ne security iza nokuthi izokupha umshado izokumisela umuzi wena usho kahle njengomuntu wesilisa ukuthi wena awusoza uthandana nomuntu onengane eziwu2 lokuthi nengane eziwu5 awusana ndaba usuthi nje ngithanda ubuyene nje ilelo uthi usumthandela ukuthi nje mangifile kwakhona into ongizilela ngifile
khona bese makhandlela
kwakhona ufaka inzile kwakhona ufaka inzile no makhandleleni ayilele lesithathu ayi zoke niqhwisa kulo mhlawumbe ngasakhethi type ungasashaya type price.
Wow.
Uzilungile mfethu bethi hey wesibanibani simuzwe ngazuthi kade ayigijima lo muntu unengane ezintathu engazuthi uyagula uthi hey ungcono kunoshevu angangudliswa mamthini ungcono kunoshevu ngiyaxolisa mfethu.
But yeah.
So basically mina ngesingami I will always advise ke ngesencane to not never even to a point ukuthi mfethu makumele ufike ku30 izinto zakho zingakahlangani uyahaslisha usafunda ngicela mfethu uyeke phansi indaba amaSerious relationship uyeke labantu bayo bakhona abantu abazofika beyithathe and ngiyakutshela ngane yakwethu once wasebenza waba nemali yakho angeke kube istruggle ukuthola umuntu ozomthanda nozokuthanda uzomthola umuntu ngesikhathi esiright. So ukunokuthi uhamba uhubha nabantu besifazane ungakabi namali angeke ukusebenzele lokho okungenani uhubha imali abantu besifazane masunemali bona bazohubha wena. So mina I will always advise people and say mfethu even if kuyenzeka usuna 30 njengamanje usufuna ukuthola umuntu thola umuntu at least ofundayo ofundela something ofundile noma ofuna umsebenzi akawufundele noma one business something ukwenzela ukuthi impilo yakhe izoba lula. Esikhathi sanamhlanje izimpilo singabafana inzima impilo, so akuve kunzima ukuthi wakhe indonga zendlu ifurniture ingangeni phakathi. Akuve kunzima ukuthi uthenga konke kuphelele mase kushoda itransportation ezokuletha ekhaya ngoba imali othenga ayiphelele esitolo. So uyamdinga lo muntu lo wesifazane uzokwazi ukuthi phekwa konke osukwenzile aphinda akwazi ukuqhamuka kusize financially. So as much as usifuna ukuzenzela konke thina njengamadoda but iphutha lethe likhulu silenza sebancane singena kuma-serious relationship at the age of 21 because lo muntu loyo uma engahlakaniphile uyomthwala nezenigugu and the sad part akuthina sonke sinenhlanhla ukuthi sihlukane nabantu esibathulela abangekho right. Ungakwazi uthanda nomuntu ongekho right at the age of 21 nize niyogcina niyofika ko40 na ko45 bekubuza ukuthi lodwa lomfana wasibani right kangakufuna ngesitiyadia kanti isitiyadia wasithola singakabi isitiyadia seyitshitshi at the age of 21 sayisitiyadia sakho sasaguga sisitiyadia sakho uthola ukuthi wazi wena wedwa makukhuluma ngabantu besilisa kodwa ngenxa zokuthi lokho akukho kuyena and akahlakaniphile njengawe ekubhayisa empilweni till the end. So that's all I can say about besilisa. Don't ever fall in love and be in a relationship or serious relationship nomuntu wesifazane usesemncane at the age of 25. Just make sure you hustle and make sure you cover your backs benemali and then you can do anything besides that. So just have fun. Fun is very important at that age. Have fun. Mina nje I miss that fun. I wish ngathiwa ngiphindele emuva ngiyolungisa that fun because ayangitholanga. Okay, nilale kahle nibe nobusuku obuhle. So bonana futhi ngokuzayo ngolwesine. Bye bye. Peace.